Learn how to make your own anti-dandruff hair mask using a few kitchen ingredients. Here is what you will need. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds powder, 2 tablespoons of neem powder, 1 tablespoon of neem oil, and few tablespoons of plain yogurt. Mix 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds powder, 2 tablespoons of neem powder, 1 tablespoon of neem oil, a few tablespoons of plain yogurt together to form a smooth spreadable paste. Apply the paste generously to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for 1 hour to work its magic. Rinse it off with water and lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to add natural shine to your hair. Repeat this routine twice a week for a month for best results. You can buy the ingredients at your local Indian grocery store or search up on Amazon. If you have fresh neem leaves and fenugreek seeds, you can soak them overnight and blend them instead of using the store-bought powder. If you are not familiar with methi seed powder or not sure which one to buy, you can check the links in the video description. Fenugreek seeds are packed with antifungal properties that help fight the root causes of dandruff. They soothe scalp inflammation, reduce flakiness, and deeply moisturize dry, itchy skin. Neem powder and neem oil act as powerful antibacterial and antifungal agents. They purify the scalp, clear clogged follicles, and eliminate dandruff-causing microbes like Malassezia. Neem also calms itchiness and scalp irritation. Yogurt restores moisture, cools the scalp, and helps balance scalp pH, preventing dryness and flaking. General tips: always consult your dermatologist or medical practitioner for advice. Do a patch test before applying anything on your hair or skin. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more natural hair care videos.